have we discussed it earlier, but new session as well. We are talking on a new session. That's why we shall be working on that newly. I shall be discussing on. So let me discuss this one. In the causative verb, means to make someone to do something. That means karvana. In verb means काम करना. Causative verb means काम करवाना. To make someone to do something by force or by requesting, by convincing, or by power. Anything. You are making someone to do work for you. That is called causative verb. So first of all, you see number one is let. Let. करने देना. That means allow. Let him go. उसे जाने दो. That means उसे जाने की इजाजत दो. Let me talk. Let me talk. Let me talk the secret. Let me tell you the secret. मुझे जो इसका जो सीक्रेट है वो मुझे बोलने दो. that means बोलने दो, करने दो, खाने दो. Let me go, let me come, let me talk. That means you are asking someone to give you the that means give you the authority to do something. That is called let. Okay, I gave you the sentence. Yes. Next one, make. Next one is make. Make means karwana. Makes means karwana. First one you will see let karne dena. And now you see make is karwana. Karwana means by force. करवाना means करना. कोई इच्छा नहीं है फिर भी by force ये करना ही करवाया उसने. That means he made me to drive the car. Please write down. He made me to drive the car. He made me to drive the car. That means उसने कार चलवाया. मतलब खुद चलाया नहीं उसने, उसको फोर्स किया कि वो कार चलाए. He made me to write the application to the manager. He made me to write the application to the manager. उसने मैनेजर से उसने मुझसे मैनेजर को क्या किया? मैनेजर के लिए एप्लीकेशन लिखवाया. मेड मी मतलब फोर्स करना. शायद उससे नहीं आता, उसने जिसे आता है उसको फोर्स किया कि आप मुझे लिख के दो किसी भी हालत में. दैट इज कॉल्ड मेड. देयर विल नॉट कम एनी लेट because let means to allow someone. करने देना, खाने देना, जाने देना. And make means करवाना. he made me to work for my you can write for my friend. उसने मुझसे मेरे दोस्त के लिए काम करवाया. मुझसे करवाया काम. Okay. Hello, Ishan. What happened? So time consuming. It should not be. You come at the right time when as soon as you get the link. Try to join on the spot. Yeah. So I was talking on verb. Today our special subject is we are working on causative verb. Verb means काम करना. Causative means काम करवाना. Okay, that is the thing. Next number 3 है. Number 3 is get. GET get. यहाँ पे उसके पीछे है but answer is the word is get. Get means का मतलब मनवाना, मनवाना, करवाना मीन्स मनवाना, कुछ काम मतलब he get to you, he is he got to, he made him to get the प्रपोजल, उसने ये जो प्रस्ताव है उसे मनवाया, मनवाना, मनवाना, दैट इज. Next one is have. Have means karwana, to assign. I had him to write the letter. That means मैंने उसे उसे ये लेटर लिखवाया. I had him to write to assign the letter, like that. Help, मदद करना. I helped him I helped him to work for me. I helped him to solve the math. मैंने उसे मैथ करने में मदद किया. That is the thing. I helped him to solve the problem. मैंने उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में मदद की. दैट इज द थिंग. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आज हम इन बाकी तीनों के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. वी शैल बी टॉकिंग ऑन लेट एंड मेक. ओके, what is let, what is make, that's two things we have to get to know. So see, let means करने देना. Let me go, मुझे जाने दो, मतलब किसी की इजाजत के बगैर मैं नहीं जा सकती, नहीं कोई काम कर सकती. कोई मुझे इजाजत दे तो ही मैं आगे बढ़ सकती हूँ या काम कर सकती हूँ. लेट मी गो, मुझे जाने दो. लेट मी टॉक टू माई प्रिंसिपल, मुझे प्रिंसिपल के साथ बात करने दो. लेट मी से यू द फैक्ट, मुझे असली बात जो है उसे बोलने दो. लेट मी अलाउ, मतलब लेट मी मतलब कोई अलाउ करो मुझे कि मैं अपनी बात रख सकूं. That is the thing on let. That is called to make, to allow someone to do, to allow someone to talk, to allow someone to do anything that he wants to do. That is the thing of let. And make. What is the make? Make things, to make someone to do anything by force. By force means that person is not ready, anyhow he is convincing that person to work for him, to work for the thing. That is called make. He made me to tell the lie, उसने मुझसे झूठ बुलवाया. He made me to tell the lie. That is the thing. So did you understand this one? आप लोगों को समझ में आया करण? So if you have understood, so do you have any question? If you have any question, please let me know in the WhatsApp. Please write down. I am giving you 1 minute. Just you think what is the question you need to know. After that, we shall be talking on the next. How can we write two causative verb at a time? And this answer is yes. We can use two causative verbs at a time. And you have asked me to give an example of that. So answer is you can write here you can write in the paper if you have with you, or you can write the WhatsApp group. You can write, no problem. Please write down. Then you can answer. Then I can understand you. I can make you understand. Okay. Okay. So please write down. You let me go now. You let me go now because I have I have to make my friend ready for a long drive. I have to make my friend ready for a long drive. Please write down, then I will let you know what is this mean. If you have written, please send it. Yeah, you let me go now because I have to make my friend ready for a long drive. तुम अब मुझे जाने दो क्योंकि मुझे मेरे दोस्त को कन्विंस करना है, यानी मुझे मेरे दोस्त के साथ कहीं मुझे मतलब दोस्त को कन्विंस मतलब घूमने के लिए मतलब बोलना है, घूमने जाना या घुमाने जाना है। मेरे दोस्त के साथ घुमाने मतलब दोस्त घुमाने जाने वाला है मेरे साथ। ओके? Make. Here is make also written and let also written. So in one sentence, both the causative verbs will be used. So now your work is Karan. Yeah, here Ishan is telling, मैम एक बार let का example बता दीजिए. So you make him understand what is the example of let, how to use it more than that. Can you do that? But Ishan, you just listen to him very carefully. After that, he will ask you any question about that. So you have to answer it properly. Okay? Yeah. अच्छी तरह से आप सुन लेना करण जो बोल रहा है जैसा बोलेगा लेट के बारे में। और इसके बाद वो क्वेश्चन सवाल करेगा, एक ही सवाल करेगा, आपको इसका जवाब देना पड़ेगा। यू जस्ट लिसन टू हिम वेरी वेरी अटेंटिवली, देन यू कैन आंसर हिम। So Karan, please start. So all of you, both of you answer these all and send me in the WhatsApp. I am giving you 5 minutes by writing the questions, not by answers only. I am giving you 5 minutes. Please do that. Both of you have answered very promptly. That's really very nice of you. So let us discuss this question. So first one is dash me write the same. The answer, let me write the same. Let me write the same. Both of you are correct. Please. That very nice. Next one, he dash me to overtake the car. He told me to overtake the car. And he let me to overtake the car. Both of you are not correct here because Karan, you have used here told, but we have to use only causative verbs here. So you can't use any word besides causative verb. Either you could use made or you could use this let, but you didn't use any one of them. So your answer is not correct here. So Ishan, he let me to overtake the car. No, he made me to overtake the car. उसने कार को ओवरटेक करवाया, उसने कार को ओवरटेक करवाया। ही मेड मी मतलब उसने मुझे कन्विंस किया या फोर्स किया कि ओवरटेक करो कार को। दैट इज द आंसर। So try to understand. Okay. Next, number 3 is I dash him understand these. I helped him understand this. Karan, I told you to write only both of the you let and make without because we have discussed here only these 2 points, two causative verbs. That's why I gave you only these two. You don't have to use any other any other causative verbs without using let or made. Okay, so your answer is not come in the consideration of correction. So I let him understand this. No, it's not the answer. I made him understand this. मैंने उसे समझाया. मैंने उसे ये समझाया. Samjhaya. I made him understand this, not let. And I see that everywhere Ishan has written let. That's not the right way to write. You didn't use anywhere the option of made here, Ishan. And you could use made and let. These two things you do. These two causative words. Any one of the words you have to use according to the sentence. So your answer is not correct. These three, number two and three are not correct. Let's go number four. He says, "Dash me clean the floor quickly." And Karan is correct here. He says, "Let me clean the floor quickly." And Ishan, you are also correct here. He says, "Let me clean the floor quickly." Sorry, let. But here I see, Ishan, you when you have written let in the middle of the sentence, you have made the word very capital letter. It's not the way to write. आपको इसे बड़ा नहीं लिखना है, जब ये मिडिल में सेंटेंस के मिडिल में होगा उसको छोटा जैसे लिखना होता है वैसे ही लिखना है, ठीक है? या okay, no problem. But when you write, then you be careful about that. Number five, please dash her be cool at least. Please let her be cool at least. Yes, Karan, you are correct in this sentence. Please let her be cool at least. Yes, both of you are correct. Without three, both of you are getting 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. That's the answer. But did you understand? Tell me truly. Did you understand the use of let and make? Do you have any question? Aishan, do you have? If you have, then I will discuss it tomorrow again. Okay? I will discuss this option tomorrow again. And tomorrow we shall be discussing again, and with another topic we shall be discussing. Maybe we can discuss the remaining three causative verbs also we could understand tomorrow. No problem. But one thing is that Ishan, I have not tell you to write the things you talked with your sister today, but tomorrow I shall be talking to you to write this all tomorrow on the daily basis. As and when you get the link, please join and please try to write at first. Okay? या कैन यू आप समझ रहे हो ना मैं क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, क्या कहना चाहती हूँ, आप समझ रहे हो ना? हाँ, जॉइन करना है। और आपने दीदी के साथ जो बात बताई वो डेली है, डेली का काम है। आपको 5 सेंटेंस लिखना ही है, ठीक है? आके ही आपको लिखना शुरू कर देना है, मैं बोलूँ या ना बोलूँ, ठीक है? Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you and good night. See you tomorrow, dears. Thank you.